from 2 a.m. calls. Zero communication. Yeah, we spent too long in heaven. Yeah, we felt the elevation. Feels kind of different and we're not the same. Cause anything's have to change. I got no trouble with my pride. Got trouble cutting tight.
So elegant and raunchy. This haute couture I'm flaunting. This Telfar back imported. Birkins, them shits in storage. I'm in my bag.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Janey. If you are new, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on all social media. So today, we're back here again because I decided I wanted to spend unnecessary money on things I don't need but I really want and I think I deserve. So here is our little box, and by the size of the box you guys can see that I got the small and not the mediums that I've been getting. So I'm getting better. Like you see, I reduced the size, then I'm just gonna reduce in quantity. That's the plan. And this is my first small, so I can actually hold it in my hands when I open it. So on the inside, it comes, ooh, the light is reflecting on this bag. Let's get rid of the box. So just like the medium ones, it comes in a Ziploc bag. And within the Ziploc bag comes this cute little white duster with drawstrings that you can pull apart and reveal your bag. And I don't know if it's the light or what, but clearly I got white. So yeah. So closer up, this is how the white looks. It is giving. So it has this little tape on the bag holding it together. And we're just gonna pop that off and reveal the width, which I feel like my camera, my phone, some cards, like it can fit in here. It's not like a true mini bag. It's really cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Like, I'm a little bit nervous of how practical this bag is gonna be, but I feel like this is more so of like a date night type of bag. Like, I don't have my laptop, like I'm just going out to like eat with the girls really quick. I kind of want to bring my camera, so I can have my camera, my cards, and I don't know if my keys will fit in here as well with all of them, but oh well. So this is our small new white telly. So on the Telfar side, it is just described as small is the party bag plus the after party 2. So the height of this is 4 3/4 inches. The width is 6 5/8 inches, and it's 3 inches deep. The long strap, the drop strap right here, this is 21, and then the small little handle drop here is 4 3/4 of an inch. So it's a pretty small bag. Like, it's small, but I feel like it's good for when I really should not be carrying a bunch of stuff. Like, it's not the everyday bag like the medium ones are. So eventually you just have to keep straightening out these handles, because since, you know, they've been taped together in the box for a while, they look kind of, you know, straggly, but eventually these smooth out. I learned that from my medium ones, but for now I'm just probably gonna bend it back up and put it inside of its little duster for the time being. Yeah. So the inside of this bag, however, I don't like at all. So the inside of the bag has the traditional Telfar E, but it doesn't have like a little zipper pocket. Like, it's literally just an empty bag. And I don't know, when I have like a small bag where I can't bring my actual purse with me, I like for it to have like a little zipper so that I know, okay, cards, cash, ID are in that little zipper part. Like, I don't like the fact that it does not have a zipper. Like, it's actually really disappointing because I didn't even read the description when I was buying it to see if it had a zipper. I just assumed. So just food for thought. it does not have that at all. So the minis originally cost $150, and then taxes $30.31, which brings your grand total to $163.31. And I feel like I prefer just spending the $200 and getting my medium. Unfortunately, I don't have enough space to keep buying mediums at the rate that clearly I'm going. So leave down in the description box a black-owned brand that you guys would like to see me try. I was thinking about doing the Brandon Blackwood, but I've been hearing some, you know, bad reviews that the quality isn't there, and I'll be damned if I get a bad quality product and they won't give me a refund in exchange, or like customer service is not with it. Like, so give me some other black-owned businesses that you guys would like to see me try their bags out, because clearly your girl has an addiction to purses, and I've always known I would. But you know, material girl. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on all social media, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!